Hello everyone, myself Haripriya K, CTO of the company Lucid. Here I am going to present my topic about touchscreen technologies. A couple of decades ago, touchscreens still sounded like something you had only seen in the sci-fi movies. But actually, touchscreens already appeared way back in the 60s. In 1965, E.A. Johnson created the very first finger-driven screen. These displays didn't gain popularity till the 1970s when the resistive touchscreens was invented, and now it's almost everywhere. We can't imagine our day to day life without touch screens, which are the major part of our smartphones, ATMs, electronic voting machine, personal computers, etc. 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 Through this session, I would like to go through the introduction part, anatomy, and some of major touchscreen technologies and its advantages, disadvantages, at last my conclusion. What is a touchscreen is? It is an electronic visual display that can detect the presence and location of the touch within the display area. The term generally refers to the touching of the display with our hand or finger, but it can also sense other passive objects like stylus. There are so many categories under touchscreen technologies, but it is classified into four main types: resistive, capacitive, acoustic, and optical. Subcategories of this we'll discuss later. There are four key elements in designing a touchscreen product. First one, front panel or bezel. It is the outermost skin of the end product and it is the protective clear overlay. Second one, touch controller. It is a small microcontroller based IC that takes information from the sensor and translates it into the information embedded system controller can understand. Third one, touch sensor. It is a clear glass panel with the touch responsive surface. This sensor may be placed so that the touch area of the panel covers the viewable area of the video screen. Fourth one, system software. It allows the touchscreen sensor and system controller to work together. Resistive touchscreen technology. It is a pressure sensitive technology, therefore, it senses input from contact with nearly any objects. Its outermost layer is a durable hard coating and innermost layer is a rigid glass substrate. The exterior face of the glass substrate and the interior face of the polyester film is coated with a conductive transparent layer made up of indium tin oxide. Between the glass and the polyester sheet, there are thousands of tiny separatable dots. On these two sheets, there are horizontal and vertical lines contains X and Y axes. When a contact is made to the surface, this will push together and register the precise location of the touch. There are two different types of resistive touch technologies, 4-wire technology and 5-wire technology. In 4-wire technology, it uses two opposite layers to create X and Y measurements, but in 5-wire technology, it uses bottom substrate for both X and Y axes. However, the technology follows similar format. Capacitive touchscreen technologies. Capacitive touch panels represent the second most widely used sensing method after resistive film touch panels. Recently, capacitive popularity has grown as it has become one of the leading technologies used in the touchscreen devices. It don't rely on the pressure, it relies on the electrical property of the human body. There are two types of capacitive touchscreens, surface and projected, both based on the fact that the application of a finger changes the capacitance in a local region, enabling the detection of the touching point. In projected capacity touchscreens, they utilizes two layers of ITO of XY array to form a grid projects the electrical field through the top layer of the glass. Because of this projection, when the user touches the top layer of the glass, it changes the measured capacitance value of the electrode closest to it. These changes in the capacitance are measured and calculated as the touch points. In surface capacity touchscreens, they utilizes one ITO surface. The computer measures the change in the capacitance from each corner of the ITO layer using electrodes and placed in the four corners, and the X and Y coordinates of the touch points are calculated. Bending wave touchscreen technology. Here when we touch glass plates, it generates sound waves that propagate within the glass. They are detected with microphones in the form of piezoelectric transducer bonded to the glass. Resulting signals are digitized by the electronics and numerically processed to reconstruct touch positions. This screen has completely unpowered signal source, and the bending wave travel inside the glass substrate and its power distributed throughout the entire thickness of the glass plates. Therefore, once assisted, it's difficult to stop. So, touchscreen technology. Surface acoustic wave touchscreen technology is widely used in applications that demand durability and high image quality. It uses ultrasonic waves that pass over the touchscreen panel. When the panel is touched, a portion of the wave is absorbed and attenuated by the finger. This change in ultrasonic wave registers the position of the touch event and sends information to the controller for processing. The system consists of reflectors to reflect and a pair of two transducers, which converts the electrical signals into the ultrasonic wave and vice versa after changing the wave by touching. Infrared touchscreen technology. It is based on light beam interruption technology. The display surrounds a frame of optical grid formed by LEDs on one side and photosensors on the opposite side. So when an object touches the screen, the invisible light beam is interrupted, causes a drop in signal received by and measured by the photosensor, and its output is used to locate the touch point coordinates. It is used in manufacturing and medical applications, and it doesn't rely on a conductor to activate the touchscreen. Optical image touchscreen technology. It is a relatively new touchscreen technology that is expanding very quickly because of its scalability and versatility. Using optical image techniques, it can see and record the touch point and even recognize the size of the object too. Two or more cameras placed around the edges of the screen, working together to track the movement of the object close to the surface by detecting the interruption of an infrared light beam, and the output is combined using image processing techniques so that the touch point shows up as shadow. Let us see some of advantages and disadvantages of touchscreens. Touchscreens are the fastest pointing devices and they have easier hand and eye coordination. Touchscreens are durable in public access and no need of extra workspace compared to the other pointing devices. On the other hand, it is a high cost technology and requires massive computing power, leads to slow devices and low battery life. Users' hand may obscure the screen and reduce in image brightness. I conclude my section by saying that touchscreen technology are widely available and in use in many phases of society. There are over a dozen of touchscreen technologies in use, and no single technology can meet 100% of requirement for every application. As a result, there has been an accelerated stream of innovation in touchscreen technologies in society. These are my references, and thank you.